Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mortgage Mike. Hope you guys are enjoying your day so far. Another gorgeous day here in sunny San Diego. As you can see behind me, that is the 5 corridor right off Miramar Road. But just wanted to pop in here real quick. We had an amazing speaker come by our sales meeting this morning, and he's a credit analysis. And what he does, he comes out to local lenders like myself, banks, credit unions to talk more about credit risk and things to help our clients improve their credit scores. So I did take some notes and I was very impressed with this presentation today. So what I like to do for this video is just provide you guys 4 simple tips to help you increase your credit scores or maintain your credit scores, and obviously just make sure that your credit scores are obviously on point, especially if you're looking to purchase a car, take out a student loan debt for your child, or if you're looking to purchase a home. You want to make sure you take the proper steps to fix your credit today, so when the time comes, you feel super confident when you're sitting in front of a loan officer like myself. So tip number 1, very simple. You want to make sure you take advantage of pulling your credit report. Did you know that as a consumer, you are eligible to pull your credit report once a year for free, and that's a federal law, so keep that in mind. You don't know where to pull it? Well, jot down these 2 websites. They don't charge you a dime whatsoever to pull your credit report. The first website is freecreditreport.com. Very simple, freecreditreport.com. They can actually pull your credit report from there and provide your credit score. The second website I want to also recommend is annualcreditreport.com as well too. So that's annualcreditreport.com. 2 good websites. They're not going to ask for a credit card number, but if you're looking to maybe download all 3 credit scores, they may request for a credit card on file for that information. So that's tip number 1. Be sure to take a look at your credit so there are no surprises when you sit down with a loan officer and discuss your finances. Tip number 2, if you have any derogatory items on your credit report, charge-off, collection accounts, late payments, you want to make sure you try to do your best to tackle them as soon as possible. Get them paid off, get them up to date. If you're sitting in a collection account situation, a lot of times it's already been sold to a third-party vendor who purchased your debt pennies on the dollar. So you may have the opportunity to get in contact with them and negotiate that balance and pay it off a lot cheaper than what it was previously. So keep that in mind, communicate, and you may be able to negotiate that current balance and just get that derogatory debt off your credit report. Tip number 3, and it's the obvious one, make your payments on time. That's very simple. I'm not gonna touch too much on that one, but just make your payments on time. And then tip number 4, very simple, and this is a popular one because this happens to fall into like the debt ratio category. Your credit scores, they pull your credit scores based on your balances. So what you want to do is keep your balances 30% of the credit limit. Okay, so keep it 30% of the credit limit. When you're running a high balance, right? What that does, it puts you at higher risk. Higher risk, FICO scores take a dip in scores. So keep that in mind. 4 simple, easy steps that you can follow starting today. If you have any questions, call me, send me a message here. I have more tips, but I just want to keep it to 4. Thanks for checking in and watching this video. Mortgage Mike for your home loan needs, and I look forward to catching up with you guys very soon. Take care, guys.